I am proud of my family. It's a perfect, healthy, and complete Indian family.
No. Without me, any family is incomplete.
Who are you and where are you?
I am Mr. D. You know me.
No.
That's a problem. Many people don't know about me. Okay, let me ask few questions to you all. Anyone has a chronic back pain here? Anyone has joint and bone pain here? Anyone has muscle pain and cramp here? And anyone has a problem of fatigueness and weakness here? You know, one of the major reasons of these problems is because I am not there in your life.
Please tell us more about you.
Okay, let me introduce myself first. My name is Vitamin D and I am one of the most important nutrients for you all. I am very important for your good health, development of bones and proper body growth.
Oh, so you are vitamin. I think you don't know. We all eat lot of vegetables and fruits. Can't you see?
Sir, you are right. Unfortunately, there are only few fruits and vegetables in which I am present, and that too in very less quantity. You know, only about 10% of vitamin D you can get from your food you eat.
Not from food? So how do we get vitamin D?
That's a good question. Your body can make vitamin D automatically when exposed to sun. When you go out in sun, photons from sunlight absorbed by your skin converts the body cholesterol into inactive vitamin D. This inactive vitamin D gets converted to active by liver and kidney.
Are you joking? If we all can make vitamin D from sunlight, then what is the problem?
You are right. But despite of heavy sunlight in India, up to 94% Indians are vitamin D deficient.
I don't believe.
Okay, tell me what time you go to office.
8 o'clock.
And how?
Of course, by car.
In office you must be having your own cabin.
Yes.
At what time you leave your office?
In the evening, by 7 p.m.
Now tell me, in the entire day, when are you exposed to sunlight? And there is one more problem. Most of the Indians have dark skins, and dark skin absorbs less sunlight. And you all must be using sunscreen. Sunscreen blocks the sun rays and thus almost blocks your ability to make vitamin D naturally. And when you are at home, windows are closed. So there also you don't get vitamin D. So because most of you are not exposed to sun sufficiently, and as I said, I am not sufficiently present in the food you eat, vitamin D deficiency is very common in India.
So what time I should expose to the sun?
You should expose yourself to the sun between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m.
Okay, now I have understood why up to 94% Indians are vitamin D deficient. But what is the role of vitamin D?
Vitamin D has several important functions in the body. Most important are: it helps in the absorption of calcium in bones, muscles and teeth. It also helps in regulating your blood pressure. In case of injuries, it helps in controlling inflammation. Vitamin D plays a vital role in fighting infections. Vitamin D regulates various functions of your body and is very important.
Oh my God! So what will happen if someone is vitamin D deficient?
This is very important. Vitamin D deficiency can cause major health problems. Because vitamin D is important for absorption of calcium in bones, its deficiency can cause chronic back pain, joint pain and bone pain. Vitamin D is also important for absorption of calcium in muscles. Its deficiency can cause muscle pain and cramps. Vitamin D deficiency can make your bones thin and weak, which increases the chances of fractures. As vitamin D regulates the blood pressure, its deficiency can cause heart disease. Not only this, experts say vitamin D deficiency can lead to major diseases like diabetes and cancer.
Is vitamin D also important for children?
Children need vitamin D for bone growth and development. Serious vitamin D deficiency can cause rickets. Babies still developing in the uterus also need vitamin D. If women don't get enough vitamin D during pregnancy, their children might develop neonatal hypocalcemia or rickets later in the childhood.
But now, how will I ensure the sufficient vitamin D for me and my family?
That's the most important question. Along with sun and vitamin D-rich food, with your doctor's recommendation, you can take vitamin D supplements.
I will speak to my doctor today only about vitamin D supplements.
Good.
Now with vitamin D, we are a complete and perfect family.